Today, we're going to learn how to upload your project to GitHub step by step. Whether you're sharing your code with others or just keeping it safe online, GitHub makes it super easy. So let's get started. First, you need to create a GitHub account if you don't have one yet. Just go to github.com and sign up. It's free and quick. Once you're logged in, go to the Repositories tab and click on the New button. Here, you can give your project a name. You can also adjust settings like visibility, choosing between public or private. Once you're happy with the settings, click Create Repository. Now you have a few options to add files. You can create a new file directly on GitHub, or if you already have files on your computer, you can upload them. Since we already have our project on our computer, let's upload it. Click on Uploading an existing file, then select your files from your computer. Once you've added them, scroll down and click Commit Changes to finalize the upload. And that's it. Your project is now on GitHub. If you ever want to change settings or delete your project, go to the Settings tab. Scroll down to find the Danger Zone section. Here you can change the repository's visibility or even delete it. Let's delete this repository as an example. Click Delete this repository. Confirm by clicking Delete this repository again, and it's gone. Now you know how to upload and manage your projects on GitHub. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next one.